Who wants to see the easiest do-it-yourself upgrade for the interior of the Supra? If you did not get a launch edition, this area on the passenger side right here is just blank. I have two carbon fiber strips made by Speed with double-sided tape that should fit in this space perfectly. The hardest part of this DIY project that I had today was setting up this light so that you could see what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna clean this with some alcohol and a nice clean towel down in here to make sure that this doesn't have any armor all or anything, so that the tape sticks well. And then I know to start all the way on this edge and work your way down. That's how hard this is. So let me get started. All right, got the double-sided tape off. I get this pressed up in here as far as possible. I'm gonna work my way across. All right, that was easy. Pressing that in. Looks like it's factory. All right, as you can see, they just ship them on this little board. Sorry, my hands are so dirty, guys. I've been working on all sorts of stuff. And a little test fit on this one. This one fits a lot more straight up and down. So I'm gonna peel the double-sided tape. It's also about 95 degrees right now, but it's better than cold and rainy. Peeling that tape off, not touching that sticky back. Going over as far as I can, working it down. It does not get any easier than that for a do-it-yourself. The hardest part of this project, setting up this light and this camera. Other than that, it's a couple-minute project. Dress up this a little bit. I know it doesn't say GR Supra, but I know some people have been making little ones out of vinyl and adding it to it. But that is on the, and it also says like the edition number on the first run. So, hey, nice little dress-up piece. I hope, you know, something to dress up the interior anyways. It's a nice weave. It matches fairly well to that down there. So that's one little thing down. Stay tuned, more little bits coming for the interior. And as I showed you in a previous video, I got these Speed carbon fiber paddle extensions. So they're really simple. You're just basically gonna take that tape off. You're gonna stick this like this, and it goes a little further down and a little further out and up. Beautiful combination. I think the flushness of that, I think it's a really nice, you don't have to do any unscrewing or tinkering. And that tape, well, I tell you what, they tape things on cars with that on the outside, so that tape should be tough. So I've already cleaned with alcohol the back side of these. Now all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this tape off, and I'm actually gonna, here sitting in my lap is my heat gun, which once I've turned that thing on, I won't be sitting back down on my lap. But I am gonna heat this up, you know, fairly well so that tape is really sticky. And then I'm just gonna go for the placement. Boom. I've done a test fit and everything seems fine. So basically I'm gonna put the camera down, hit stop, and heat this sucker up, and then I'll show you a little mid video here. Doesn't get any easier than that. That thing fits nice and flush right here. It guides itself right in, so there's really no misaligning it because the tape won't touch if it's not right. And it feels great. It's down here, a little higher up, a little, I don't know, I like the feel of it. So I wanted to show you right here in the middle how easy it was to put it on. So I'll put the other side on, do a quick closing of the video here, but don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I really appreciate all the followers, and I hope these type of videos help you out. So I'll finish it up. There you have it. There's the final look. Easy to put on. You know, the hardest part of this project was actually peeling the tape off, the back of the tape off without having any fingernails. And but you know, if that's the hardest thing, this is an easy do-it-yourself project. So I hope this helped you out. Stay tuned. Probably the cheapest yet kind of satisfying piece I've added to the Supra here. I found this totally stick-on piece, very similar to the stock gas pedal footrest, to go over this piece of black plastic. It just sits. I took the mat out already so that I could just have a clear shot of sticking this on. So all I'm going to do is do some alcohol on this to make sure so this tape is really good. I'm going to peel this big piece of red clear off, and I'm going to heat this up with a heat gun so it's nice and gooey. And then I'm just going to stick it over that. And then I'm going to use my actual foot to press it down. And then that's the end of this very simple upgrade. Easy. Ah, that's really funny how something that simple. I like it. So just having a black there, you got a little grip somewhere to put your foot. It's a little rubber. It's just kind of, it's kind of close. This may be hard plastic here. I don't know. Still, I like it. So, and that's that. I'll put a link below. I bought this on eBay from China. It took about 3 weeks to get here. I think it was about $25 or so. Get it now before the price goes up, and it's real easy to put on, and if it eventually gets wore out, you know, unstick it and throw it away. But definitely hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Appreciate any comments. Cheap upgrades for the Supra, easy do-it-yourself. This thing is a total do-it-yourself project, so hope this helps somebody in getting some more work done on your Supra. Thank you. Bye.